Good morning, students. Today we will read the last stanza of the poem Keeping Quiet. Now let us read the fifth stanza. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I'll go. Now here in this stanza, the poet suggests us to take a lesson from nature. As the earth undergoes changes in winter, everything freezes, becomes lifeless, but after some time, the season changes again and everything comes back to life. Similarly, taking a pause and introspecting into our lives, we will give it a new meaning. We will be able to understand the purpose of our life. It will be a rebirth of the soul. The poet has conveyed to all the people the purpose of his message, and so he asks them once again to take a pause, count till 12, and walks out of the scene, keeping the scene open for all the people on the earth to experience this for times to come. Now, poetic devices used in this poem, in this stanza. Now, earth is personified as a teacher. So, this device, personification, dead and alive. Use of the word dead and alive in a sentence, that is an example. Two opposites is an example of antithesis. Now the questions based on stanza 5. Now the first question is, what can earth teach us? The earth can teach us the lesson of preservation and resurrection of life. Earth teaches us the lesson of preservation and resurrection of the life. Earth teaches us how new life emerges from the ashes of the dead remains. Now, theme of the poem. Keeping Quiet leaves a message of universal brotherhood and peace. It urges the readers to stop all sorts of aggression, including those towards the environment. Just a moment of inactivity, introspection, and silence may prove to be the greatest act towards enjoying life to its fullest extent. Now the question, back exercise questions. What will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve? Now the poet is emphasizing on the importance of taking a pause from our busy lives and to introspect within ourselves. He wants us to realize the impact of our deeds and be happy on our achievements. What is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? The sadness referred to by the poet is the disappointment which engulfs our lives despite the fact that we are busy in completing our tasks for survival. This is so because we are running our lives by our deeds. We are doing such works of destruction that we are digging our own graves of sadness. Or in simple words, that human beings, they are not able to understand their emotional needs. They are so busy, they don't have time for themselves, and they are feeling sad because they are feeling insecure because of the deadly weapons made by the human beings. Next question, what symbol from nature does the poet invoke to say that there is life under apparent stillness? The poet uses the earth as a symbol to depict that even when every creation of nature on earth becomes still, it is living beneath that stillness. I repeat, earth is a symbol to depict that even when every creation of nature on the earth becomes still, it is living beneath that stillness, and after some time once again becomes lively. So now students, you should revise the poem and write down the question answers in your notebook. Thank you.